Welcome to TechMirror. If you're looking for the best memory foam mattress on Wayfair in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 Wayfair Memory Foam Mattresses, including the 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and luxurious 12-inch models, plus a bonus pick, the Easy Assembly Metal Box Spring. Whether you prefer firm support or plush comfort, we'll break down the features, benefits, and value of each option to help you sleep better and smarter. Let's dive in and find your perfect mattress match. Number 5. The Wayfair Sleep 10-inch Memory Foam mattress offers a perfect balance of comfort, support, and breathability. Designed with 3 well-engineered layers, a supportive high-density foam base, ventilated pressure relief foam, and a top layer of green tea-infused memory foam, it adapts to your body for a cool, cradled sleep. Its medium firmness makes it ideal for side sleepers and those needing pressure relief. The ventilated middle layer reduces pressure points and enhances airflow, while the green tea infusion helps with odor control and adds a calming touch to your bedtime routine. One of its standout features is low motion transfer, perfect for couples. You won't be disturbed by a partner's movements, ensuring uninterrupted rest. Plus, it's delivered conveniently rolled in a box. Just unbox, unroll, and let it expand, usually within 48 to 96 hours. User reviews back up its claims. One buyer praised its pain-relieving properties for arthritis and called it the most comfortable mattress they've ever owned. Another loved how well it fit their low-profile guest bed and appreciated the quick, easy setup. Backed by a 10-year warranty and priced affordably, this mattress offers tremendous value. It's well-made, supportive, breathable, and exceptionally comfortable, especially for those looking for medium firmness and easy delivery. Whether for a primary bedroom or a guest room, this mattress is a smart, satisfying choice for restful sleep. Number 4. The Wayfair Sleep 6-inch Medium Memory Foam mattress is a compact and comfortable option, perfect for kids, guest rooms, or smaller spaces. Designed with layers of ventilated latex-like foam, memory foam, and a dense support base, it offers a medium firmness that suits a variety of sleepers. Despite its slim 6-inch profile, it delivers reliable support and cooling comfort. The breathable foam construction helps regulate temperature throughout the night, making it a great choice for warmer climates or anyone prone to overheating. Its low-motion transfer design is ideal for light sleepers who share a bed, minimizing disruptions caused by movement. The stain and fade-resistant cover adds durability and freshness, while the neutral white tone ensures it won't show through light-colored sheets. The mattress arrives compressed and rolled in a box for easy delivery and setup. Simply unbox and allow 48 to 72 hours for it to fully expand. Real users love its convenience and comfort. One buyer mentioned it was a perfect fit for their daughter's top bunk and felt firm yet comfortable. Another reviewer highlighted how cozy it was straight out of the box, with no break-in period needed. With a 10-year warranty and a green tea infusion for odor control and calming effects, this mattress offers excellent value and peace of mind. Whether you need a reliable sleep surface for a child's bed, a bunk, or a guest space, this 6-inch Wayfair Sleep mattress is a practical and comfy choice. Number 3. The Wayfair Sleep 8-inch Medium Memory Foam mattress strikes a great balance between comfort, support, and affordability. Whether for a guest room, child's bed, or daybed, this mattress offers dependable quality and features you'd expect from more expensive models. Built with layers of high-density quilting foam and padding, it gently contours to your body, offering pressure relief and medium-level support for a restful night's sleep. The open-cell foam design improves airflow, while a green tea infusion provides calming benefits and odor control, keeping the mattress fresh night after night. Its tight top construction and proper edge support help maintain the mattress's shape and keep your sheets neatly in place. Plus, it's wrapped in a clean white polyester cover that fits seamlessly under any bedding style. Shipped compressed and rolled in a box, it's easy to set up. Just unbox, unroll, and give it 24 to 72 hours to fully expand. Some buyers noted it was already comfortable within a day, with even better results over time. User feedback is positive across the board. One customer said their guest found it extremely comfortable on a daybed. Another appreciated how well it expanded, looked great on their daughter's bed, and proved surprisingly cozy despite initial skepticism. With its breathable design, pressure-relieving layers, and durable construction, the Wayfair Sleep 8-inch mattress is a smart choice for smaller spaces or everyday use. It delivers great sleep without breaking the bank, backed by the trust of satisfied users and dependable performance. Number 2. The Wayfair Sleep Easy Assembly Metal Box Spring is a smart, sturdy foundation that blends classic support with modern convenience. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, it offers exceptional durability, resisting mattress sagging while supporting up to 700 plaloms, 350 palsobzais for twin. Whether you're outfitting a kid's room, dorm, guest room, or secondary bedroom, this box spring adds reliable structure and ventilation to your sleep setup. One of its standout features is the easy assembly process. With all tools included and clear step-by-step instructions, setup is quick, even if a few users noted needing a couple of tries to get it right. Still, most report a smooth experience and are pleased with the end result. The box spring is available in 3 profiles to match various bed heights and personal preferences. It features a sleek neutral fabric cover with non-slip and elastic straps, offering both elegance and function. These thoughtful details ensure the cover stays in place and makes removal simple for cleaning or adjustments. User feedback highlights its fast shipping, clean design, and compatibility with various bed frames and mattresses. One buyer successfully paired it with a 14-inch mattress and the Dorothy tufted bed, calling the setup seamless. Another appreciated the compact shipping and convenience of navigating stairs without bulky hassles. Backed by a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, this box spring offers long-term peace of mind. If you're looking for a durable, supportive, and easy-to-assemble foundation, the Wayfair Sleep Metal Box. Spring checks every box. Number 1. The Wayfair Sleep 12-inch medium memory foam mattress is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a cool, comfortable, and supportive night's sleep. With its generous 12-inch profile and layered memory foam construction, this mattress delivers excellent pressure relief while maintaining medium firmness, ideal for side sleepers and combination sleepers alike. Built with breathable ventilated foam and an open cell design, it effectively reduces body heat for a cooler, more comfortable sleeping environment. The tight top construction and low motion transfer make it a smart pick for couples. Rest undisturbed even if your partner tosses and turns. A soft white stain and fade-resistant cover adds durability and keeps your bedding looking clean and fresh. Plus, it's designed to blend under light-colored sheets without showing through. Safety is also a priority, as this mattress is made with TechMirror certified foams, a cotton-based fire retardant, and a cozy poly-jacquard cover for peace of mind. Users rave about both comfort and quality. One reviewer, a side sleeper, mentioned it's just as cozy as their more expensive hybrid mattress. Another user praised the perfect balance of firmness and softness, noting they've never slept better, and they'll never return to traditional spring mattresses. Easy to unbox and expand, typically within 24 hours. And backed by a 10-year warranty, this mattress offers outstanding value. Whether you're upgrading your bedroom or outfitting a guest space, the Wayfair Sleep 12-inch memory foam mattress is a premium choice for restful, restorative sleep.